Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore link tracking using Bitly UTM best practices detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore link tracking using Bitly and apply UTM best practices, start by accessing your Bitly account. If you don't have an account, create one at bitly.com. Once logged in, select the link you want to track. Copy the original URL you plan to shorten. Open a new tab and navigate to Google's campaign URL builder. Paste your original URL in the designated field. Next, fill in the required UTM parameters. For UTM_source, specify the source of your traffic, such as newsletter or social media. In the UTM_me, optionally, include UTM_term and UTM_content for more detailed tracking. To generate the full URL, click the Copy URL button at the bottom of the campaign URL builder. Return to your Bitly account and paste the full UTM URL into the link creation field. Click on Shorten to create your new Bitly link. Your new Bitly link will now contain all UTM parameters. To verify tracking, copy the shortened link and open it in a new tab. Check your analytics platform where the UTM parameters will be tracked. This will allow you to analyze the performance of your link effectively. Remember to keep your UTM parameters consistent across similar campaigns for better data analysis. Regularly monitor your UTM reports to understand traffic sources and user behavior. Stay updated with Bitly and UTM guidelines as best practices may evolve over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.